Greetings to you all. Imagine this. You are at a school assembly. And suddenly, one student faints. Oh, you may think, okay, maybe just a little dizziness. But then, another one goes down and another. Before you know it, half the students are on the floor. Okay, the others are still standing, but barely. What would you do? What would you do? It sounds like a comedy sketch, but this is a real scene reported in Hong Kong schools. According to a study by Hong Kong University, over 10,000 students faint during morning assemblies in a year. That is 800 in a month. You might be wondering, why are they dropping like flies? The answer may surprise you. It's all about their breakfast. Or, to be precise, the lack of a proper breakfast. Many of these students start their day with nothing but a cup of water. Yes, you heard it right. No eggs, no toast, not even a banana. Their lunches? Even worse. Their school canteen offers lo mein, which is some dried cold noodles packaged in a plastic bags and smelling like something out of a horror movie. And dinner? Fast food on the go. Hamburgers, French fries, fried chicken, junk food day in and day out. Now, one cheap meal is fine. But imagine eating that every single day. I probably develop a fatty liver in 3 months. So, what's the big deal? Here's the thing. The busy Hong Kong students need energy to focus, to learn, to perform well in school. And where does that energy come from? Food. Not just any food. Good food. A balanced meal with rice, protein, and vegetables fills the brain. But in Hong Kong, many students are caught in a vicious cycle. Skipping meals to study more, but then they are struggling to concentrate because they are starving and undernourished. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. The lesson here? Not only for students, but if we want to stay sharp and efficient, we have to eat well. Even if we are busy, just take 20 minutes for a proper meal. With this, our brain will thank us. So, eating well isn't just for staying healthy. It's all about staying smart. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Eating regularly and properly isn't just an advice. It is essential. Why? Well, think about it. Your body needs fuel to function at its best. When you eat balanced meals, you provide the nutrients your body craves, which helps keep your energy levels up and your mind sharp. Skipping meals or relying on unhealthy snacks can leave you feeling sluggish and unfocused. Plus, consistent. The nutritious eating supports your immune system, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can even boost your mood. So, making time for regular, wholesome meals isn't just a good advice. It is a key part of taking care of yourself. Bethany Frankel, a famous American author, said, "Your diet is your bank account. Good food choices are good investments. So, it is definitely wiser for us to save our money well and make some low-risk investment to ensure our bank account has a stable income. Otherwise, when we run out of money, at a certain stage of our life, we will be in a big trouble. Thank you.